Zhongshan Best Clothing Company Limited, founded in 2019 and located in Xiaolan Town, Zhongshan City, a world-famous underwear production base. Guangdong Province has been awarded the title of Integrity Enterprise by China Administration for Industry and Commerce for many times. As an enterprise specializing in foreign trade underwear manufacturing, it has helped more than 1,000 buyers and more than 200 enterprises around the world to create their own brand underwear series. Our products take comfort, nature, and generosity as the purpose and pursuit, and add fashionable styles, comfortable fabrics, and exquisite technology, which are deeply favored by our customers. After years of development, we have a modern factory covering an area of about 8,000 square meters, more than 300 professional production equipment, nearly 200 professional production personnel, and 5 R&D experts, integrating R&D, production, and sales. It is mainly engaged in men's and women's underwear, men's and women's leisure t-shirts, shirts, pajamas, yoga clothes, and other clothing, and has independent export rights. As one of the leading underwear manufacturers in China, we have passed the certification of BSCI and manage the enterprise in strict accordance with international standards. Our principle is to achieve the customer's goal with honor and dignity. We will be with higher quality, better service, more innovative to give back to customers. Sincerely welcome customers all over the world to establish long-term business relations and mutual benefit.